Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will see what is a negative SEO and what are the ways they can do negative SEO to your site and how you can prevent them. Okay, now what is a negative SEO? Negative SEO refers to the practice of using black hat and unethical techniques to damage a competitor's ranking in search engines. Okay, what are the ways they can do negative SEO? They can do, for example, hacking your website, building hundreds or thousands of spammy links to your website, copying in your content and distributing it all over the internet, finding links to your website using keywords like adult keywords, creating fake social media profiles and ruining your reputation online, removing the best backlink your website has. Okay, how to prevent negative SEO attacks? Set up Google Webmasters tool, that is Google Search Console, that we have already seen in another video how to set up Google Search Console. And next step is keep tracking of your backlinks profile. For this you can use a tool called monitorbacklinks.com. What it will do, it will just sign up in this platform. It gives you 30 days free trial, and here add your domain, for example techify.com. It will show you all the backlinks of your website. You can click here see all, and it will show all the backlinks of your website. If someone is adding any spamming links to your website, you can either remove it by disavowing in Google Search Console. You can keep tracking it here. Okay, now protecting your best backlinks. How we can do that? For example, here you can just keep any tag, give any tag to the URLs. For example, if any backlink is from high authority sites, you can just click here and click edit and just give a tag. For example, I am giving best site. Okay, and save links. Okay, if any of these, okay, and you can click to filter best site. Okay, if any of these links is removed, you can check why it is removed, how it can be removed. If someone contact the webmaster of that domain and say that your website is changed or something like that. So for this reason, you always use a email that is like a business email. I mean your name at your domain.com, like that. You can use this domain to contact the webmasters. Okay, now secure your websites from malware and hackers. How we can do that? If your site is WordPress, what you can do, here I am just logging to my WP dashboard, and in plugins just click add new, and I am searching for WordFriends. Clicking search, and here see here WordFriends security firewall and malware. Just click install now and activate it. Okay, now just enter here your email, and here just click yes, and here click this box and click continue. That's all. Here you just click no thanks. And what this plugin will do, if someone is attacking your website, it will prevent them. I mean if someone is trying to add any code in your website, it will prevent it, showing a screen you are blocked, like that. Okay, it is best to add these plugins. Okay, now we will see the next thing is check for duplicate content. How you can check this? You can use copyscape.com. Here just create an account and add credits. I have already used this tool and I have credit in it. Just paste your text of your post. For example, okay, I'm just copying this, copying any paragraph and pasting it here. What it will do, it will search the entire web and show us what are the websites having this. See here, the first result is my website, and the other websites are just copying my content. So what you can do, just click compare text. If the percentage is a lot than your articles, you can contact them to remove it, or you can just leave it as it is if you don't mind they copying it. Okay, now the next thing is monitor your social media mentions. So now what they will do, what the spammers will do, they will create your brand name in the social media sites and add false informations or adult photos in your brand name. So how you can track them? You can use a tool called mentions. Here just create a account and enter your brand name. They have a free plan here. You can use their free plan. It will track your brand mentioned in any of the social media sites. I mean, they will, in free plan, they will track up to 100 mentions. So this way you can track the spammers in social media sites. And the another thing is website speed. I mean, if some hacker is sending false traffic to slow down your hosting, it will cause the effect in search rankings. So how you can prevent it? You can use a tool called pingdom.com. What it will do, you can just create an account here and add your site, and it will always check whether your site is slow or whether your site is not loading. If it is not loading, it will send you an email alert, so that you can check it and contact your hosting to rectify it. This happens because someone is trying to DDoS attack. DDoS attack is usually a lot of botnet, I mean bots trying to keep your website down by sending huge amount of false traffic, I mean bot traffic. Okay, I hope this video helps you.